What's up, guys? Today I got a very special box in the mail, and I am super excited to open it for you guys and show you what it is. And I'm also super excited to see it myself because I have yet to see these in person, and it should be awesome. But here we go, check it out. I got the mugen style taillights for my Civic hatchback from hirevsports.com. These things I've been waiting for like 3 months. I hope they're well worth the wait. I've heard great things about them, so it should be worth the wait. But they finally came in, and I'm super excited to open them and show you guys what's in the box. As you can see here, I have not opened it at all. It's still all taped up. So we're going to be opening it together, and you guys can get my reactions. Alright, so I got my knife here, and sorry if I sound funny. I am a little bit under the weather. It has been very cold here, and I work outdoors. And it got to me a little bit, so if I sound funny, that's why. I'm gonna lift on this with my pinky as I cut, because I don't want to cut the light. I don't know what's exactly up on top here of the box. There we go, let's put the knife away. Are you guys ready? You ready? Oh shit. There we go. Watch I don't hit my monitors. Oh man. Alright, push this back. Here they are. Some really good packaging. A lot of strong foam here, so they should be in great condition. This right here must be the little side piece for the turn signal. Yep. Open that up real quick. That is nice. You can see the LEDs in there. Real nice. Can't wait to get this on, man. This looks like really good quality too, man. I've heard good things about these lights. I'm very excited that so far it seems like everything I've heard is correct. But now let's get to the main guys down here. I did get the clear option because I don't know, for some reason I've just never really been into the smoke look. I know a lot of people love it, but it's just not my thing, so I went clear. I'm glad they had a clear option. So, yep, I went ahead and got the clear and used both hands to open it. Wow. A lot of wires back here, dude. Should be pretty straightforward though. I'm plugging it in. From what I've seen, these are built to just go right into your OEM plugs, so should be pretty easy to do. Just basically, like this here, for example. Pretend this is your light bulb. And you take out the light bulb from the OEM harness that's attached to the car, and then you plug this in. So it should be pretty simple. This looks like there's going to be a little connection for the little side lights here for the sequential tail lights. Looks like that plug. There's another plug here. But let's turn this back around. This is cool, man. Really good. It feels really sturdy too. Like, I've taken my OEM light apart, off my car because I've switched the light bulbs. I have those the blinky brake lights, so I have taken them off so I know what they feel like, and these feel just as good, if not better, man. It sucks. I want to show you guys. I don't want to take this off though, because I know it won't go back on the same. Well, it might. No, yeah, that's the most satisfying thing ever, is ripping off the plastic. Yeah, I'll just take it back a little bit so I can easily put it back on. But damn, look at these lights. They look so damn good. I am so glad I went with the clear. They're already really dark lights, you know, with the black background here, and on the sides, just kind of like the OEM ones. You know, it's blacked. This right here. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, and there's all black, just satin black plastic. Looks like a little reflector there. But it means there's a light in there as well. Let me see the back. Yeah, there might be a light back there also. But damn, there they are, guys. Freaking mugen style from Hirev Sports. God, I can't wait to put these on. You guys gotta check these lights out. Go on their website. Again, hirevsports.com. I'll put a link down in the description in case you guys want to get a set for your March. They have all kinds of lights for other cars too, not just the hatch. They have for the sedan and the coupe also. They don't look exactly like these. They have their own different styles, but they do have some nice ones on the website. For the Civic and also for the 10th gen Accords and a few other cars too. So if you want to go on there and check out a few lights, they have lots of great options. They're great prices too. I'm also going to link the Instagram to this guy called Boosted Whips. At least, you know, obviously that's not his name, but it's the name of his Instagram page. And every now and then he has discount codes that you can use for the lights and to get them a lot cheaper. When I bought these a few months ago, that's what I did. I used one of his codes, so you could just send him a DM and he'll be able to give you a discount code for the lights, and that works on the website. And it was a pretty damn good discount. When I got it, I think it saved me like $70. So I got like $70 off of a discount code from some guy on on Instagram. So I'll link that below as well, so you can go ahead down there and ask him, because obviously the codes change over time. So mine that he gave me won't work for you, and I know because I gave it to a friend of mine for him to try to use it, and it didn't work. So I'm guessing, you know, they only last so long, or maybe they're different per person. So, but he's always putting in his story that if you DM him, he'll give you a discount code for the lights. So I'll go ahead and link his Instagram down below again, so you guys can get a good discount. Because $70 off is a pretty damn good discount. Usually I was expecting like a, maybe $10 or $15 off, where it would cover shipping, but I got a $70 off a discount code, so it was pretty awesome. So again, here they are. Amazing, can't wait to put them on. These red parts here, they do light up. They're going to be the daytime running lights, and I believe they're also the brake lights, so they do get brighter with the brake lights. This right here is going to go sequential with the other part here that goes on the hatchback anyways. There's the two parts, the part on the little light on the hatch itself and then on the car. And this is going to be the turn signal, so that goes sequential, so it's going to be, flashing to the sides. And you'll see that in my next video, because I'm going to do an install video on this as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it's these guys down here is the reverse lights. I don't think it's those. They might be, but I honestly don't remember. These might just be reflectors. I think the main reverse lights are down here, so it's pretty nice and sleek. And yeah, it seems like there's a wire going back there. So yeah, guys, these are the mugen style tail lights for the 10th gen Civic hatchback from hirevsports.com. Again, they look and feel great quality. You can see them right here. So if you're interested in a set, go check them out. Until next time, take care and have a great day.